Hey, what's up everyone? It's Andrew from Predenting Dental School Admissions Advising, where we help you get accepted to your dream dental schools your first time applying. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Interfolio, regardless of if you're applying to dental school, medical school, or any other program, so you can use Interfolio to make sure you seamlessly get your letters of recommendation and get them uploaded into the application service. To begin with, Interfolio is technically a free service to use to collect letters of recommendation. It's kind of like Google Drive or Dropbox in the sense that it stores letters of recommendation. However, it makes it so that you cannot view the document or content within the letter of recommendation. In other words, it keeps that letter confidential and stores the letter of recommendation, allows you to just transfer and upload the letter of recommendation into application services like AADSAS, the dental school application, or other application services. This way, you can upload your letters of recommendation into application services easily, get them early, and if you end up wanting to reapply in a later year or later admissions cycle, you'll have the letter of recommendation stored in Interfolio, and you can easily transfer that letter of recommendation later without having to ask your professor or other recommender for the letter of recommendation again in future years. One quick note, while Interfolio is free to use for requesting and storing letters of recommendation, they do charge an annual fee for getting access to transfer letter of recommendation out of Interfolio. That fee is typically around $50 and gives you unlimited access to transferring letters of recommendation for 365 days. So you're not paying $50 per letter of recommendation you transfer. Instead, it's a flat fee for each year you want to transfer letters of recommendation away from Interfolio, regardless of how many letters you are moving. Now that you understand what Interfolio is and how it can help you, let's dive into how you can navigate Interfolio.
Once we've went ahead and inputted our demographics and thrown in our address and city and the degree we earned, where we earned it, and when we earned it, we'll go down to ID numbers. And for this, I would go ahead and just select other. Since AADSAS doesn't have one, I just select other, and then we put an AADSAS, we move on. And then we're gonna go to our area of focus, and we're gonna scroll down to where it says that we are requesting letters of recommendation. That's our purpose for using Interfolio, so that's what we'll select. And our discipline will of course be medicine or health professions, and in this area is for our CV. So you don't really need to upload one at this point, so we'll just go ahead and go to the dossier, which is just the main page. And once we're here, this is our home page for our account, and in the top left column we see letters, so we'll go ahead and click that, and then see in the top right we see request a letter. We're going to go ahead and click that so that we can start the process of requesting our letter of recommendation. The first thing we see is request method. We can request our letter of recommendation either through email or through paper form. I do it through email because that way it's an electronic delivery, but you can of course choose paper form and you'll get a printout to where you could give it to your professor to write your letter of recommendation. For recommender, go ahead and type in A and then add new, and we can add the new professor, his first name, last name, and email address to who this request is going to be sent to. And for document title, we can just put something like letter of recommendation for dental school. But the really important part is this confidentiality section. Notice how it's already checkmarked. Make sure that remains checkmarked. And the reason for that is because some dental schools will not accept letters of recommendation that are not confidential. They want to make sure that you did not see that letter of recommendation and that you waive your right to see letter of recommendation so that it is a genuine letter. So make sure that's checkmarked, otherwise your application can be denied in total. Moving down, we see a box for due date. Select a due date for your professor to have that letter of recommendation uploaded that's at least 7 days before you actually need it. And the reason why I say that is because life happens. Your professor may have something come up where they're not able to get you that letter of recommendation in time, so it helps to give them a buffer so that if something does happen, they really are jumping on it and make sure that it's a top priority to get that in if they are late. Hopefully they're only late by a day or two. It also might take a day or two for you to upload from Interfolio to your AADSAS application the letter, since it does take some processing time. For recommendation type, I recommend clicking specific recommendation and just saying for my dental school application or something like that. And then for the description, this is a little important because by clicking text description, you're allowed to type in whatever you want. So what I recommend is in this text box describing what the letter of recommendation requires. So what does that mean? Well, there's certain criteria that that letter of recommendation has to meet. First of all, it needs to be on letterhead. So I like to remind them to put it on letterhead. And second of all, I like to let them know or remind them that it needs a handwritten signature. And third of all, to include their title. For example, if they're the chair of the department, to make sure they write that. For the message to the recommender, we can see the exact email that's going to be sent to them, so we can change anything we want, like our name or their name. And we could also add something like, thank you so much for writing this letter of recommendation for me. And if you want, you can add images or anything else. I recommend previewing the request, and in this area we see the exact email they're going to get. That upload letter button is going to be the link that they click to upload their letter. And then down here we have supporting materials. That send request button that we see at the bottom will eventually turn blue. So of course I'm not doing an actual request, so for that reason it's not for me, but it will be for you. And by clicking send request, that email will be sent off to your professor, and they'll get it in their inbox with directions and everything you sent, so they can go ahead and get that uploaded. By going back to our homepage, we can see deliveries. Deliveries means how many deliveries Interfolio has made to another website, such as to AADSAS. My letters recommendation is just how many that you've received, and letters to write is, of course, how many letters of recommendation you have to write for other people. So obviously that number will remain 0.
And if you're looking to learn how to upload your letters of recommendation from Interfolio into an application service like the dental school application service AADSAS, check out this next video where I teach you exactly how to do that.